Hi, my name is Adriana Carlisle, and I will be doing my pig dissection. Okay, first of all, I'll do a 360. I got somebody else recording me. Okay. Here's my list. No pictures. The person recording me is going to be calling out the names so I can focus. Okay. Go ahead.
Alright. Do the urogenital papilla.
Okay. It's a boy, first of all. So that's down here. Nothing else.
Umbilical cord.
That's this.
The tongue.
The tongue is right here.
The hard palate and soft palate.
Hard palate is the front end right here. Soft palate is way back here at the back, at the top of the mouth.
Epiglottis.
Epiglottis is this piece over here. Right in here.
The pharynx.
Pharynx is right in here.
Then the larynx.
Larynx is right in there. I think it's connected right in there.
And the esophagus.
Esophagus is right in here.
The trachea.
Trachea is this part right here.
And the bronchi.
Bronchi is the tubules here. Oh, right there.
The lungs.
Those are these.
The heart.
Heart.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm is this piece right here.
The liver.
This is the liver.
The gallbladder.
Okay, we should go ahead and take that out. Hold on. We're going to take this out. Probably should have did this before. Hope I'm not cutting it. All the other stuff. So there's the stomach. Right there's the gallbladder. Up under the liver. What's next?
The stomach.
That's this right here.
Duodenum.
The duodenum is at the bottom of the stomach, connecting it to the intestines. Right in there.
Small intestines.
Small intestines is right here.
And the large intestines.
Large intestines are right here.
The pancreas.
Let's see, pancreas. Can you see it?
And the spleen.
Spleen is this flabby piece right here.
The rectum.
Rectum is the same as the anus.
The kidneys.
Okay. I actually have to cut the thing down for that. I think that's the penis right there. Okay, we see what?
The kidneys.
That's the kidneys right there.
The urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder's in there.
The urethra.
Urethra.
And a boy, girl.
That's a boy. Let's see. I think that's the penis.
Yeah.
And the scrotum is where the testes are.
The testes. Yep.
Okay. Now you gotta take the stomach right here. I think I'm supposed to just feel it. And then the small intestines. Cookies. See to do a dinner better like that. Oh, I think I ripped one more part. Okay, that's the end of my video.